So this page is the workflow builder page. So with the help of this page, you can create chatbots and workflows. So for creating a new workflow, you can click on create workflow, add a name. The name should be unique. Click on create. The workflow is now created. So if I want to create a chatbot that gets triggered when someone sends me message as hi. So first I will drag and drop the entry point. I will add the trigger as hi. You can have three types of matching: exact matching, partial matching, and advanced matching. In exact matching, the message sent by the user and message configured here should be exactly same to trigger the particular chatbot. If you want it to be partially matched, if any word of this particular message is received by the chatbot, it will get triggered. And if you want advanced regex pattern matching, in this the system will automatically figure out what type of message has been sent by the user and match it to the particular condition or particular trigger to trigger the chatbot. For now I am going with this contains, and I am selling a trip package basically for Manali. So if anyone comes and writes Manali on my chat, then their message will trigger this particular chatbot and further actions will take place. So now I want, whenever someone writes Manali, I want to send them a message. So I will go in the action block and drag and drop the send message. I will have to connect this particular match case condition with the input of send message. So now send message action can be triggered via this particular trigger. And for configuration of this particular send message, you can check on this right sidebar. You can send a text message, image, video, audio, document, sticker, location, contact, or interactive buttons. With this double bracket user, you will be able to fetch that particular username and send them the message with their name that is written on their channel. So if my name is Anvay, so the chatbot will send me hello Anvay. If I go with image, you can select the media source to be media ID or URL. Click on media ID. You can select the media from media page. Here we can select a particular image and click on select media. So this image is now being placed. So this message will be sent. And if you want to enter any caption, then you can enter the caption for the image as well. Same goes for video, audio, document, sticker, location, and any another one. And in interactive, you can send list message, reply button, CTA URL, WhatsApp flow, like a form, and location request and order details. So these all depends on your particular needs. But if I go with my particular flow that I am creating for the Manali package, what I want to do is I want to send particular document that is having itinerary for this Manali package. So I will click on media ID and will select a media. Here is the sample itinerary. I can click on select media and the travel itinerary has been selected. I can also enter the caption. Here is the Manali package itinerary. So this is how you will send the particular package itinerary when someone writes a message. But what if I wanted to ask some questions to user before sending them this itinerary? So I can add a ask a question action, plug it in here, and you can then have multiple types of message types, that is text, image, video, document, as I mentioned. And with the help of this particular ask and wait, you can wait until the user has answered this question from before moving on the next step. So if I want to ask the name of the user, I will add what is your name in the message content, and then only if the user answers for this particular message, then they will be diverted to the next step. So the answer for this question will be stored as this particular variable key. But if you want to add any custom variable key such as a name, then you can store the answer in name. Then after asking the name, I want to send them this particular itinerary, and after this itinerary is sent, I want them to be connected to live chat agent. So I can just click on this action and drag and drop here and just add this default to the input of the transfer agent, and now the customer will be transferred to a live chat agent. You can also select to which team you want to get this user connected, and you can also edit this transition message. This message is sent to user while the chat is being transferred to the live chat agent and live chat agent is connecting. Customer know that they are being transferred to live chat agent. You can also add flow logic such as if and else condition, switch cases, channel router to shifting the channel, a timer if you want to add a delay between two consecutive messages. You can jump the flow, you can create multiple flows and jump the flow. And we have multiple integrations such as Google Sheet integration, via which you can read and write spreadsheet data. Metapixel integration, where you can send particular event to Metapixel, and you can add a update lead integration to update lead data according to anything that has been recorded or saved by the chatbot. You can also have a API request, or you can have fetch lead. And in settings page, you can enable or disable this particular workflow from operation. You can add the name of workflow and description of workflow. If you want to delete the particular workflow, you can click on delete workflow, and to save the settings, click on save settings, and to save the workflow, you can click on save to save this particular workflow.